Hello there. Sorry for the noise. I'm on the main avenue now. Here I am outside the local Oxxo. Actually, I do have a second local Oxxo, which I seem to prefer. But why is it? And it's something I just can't understand about this Oxxo, is that it's Saturday. Now, the popular day when people buy beer for the evening, for carne asada and what have you. And you go inside, and what do? They lock all the fridges that contain the beers. Why? I mean, they've even locked the fridge with things that don't contain any alcohol, like 0% alcohol beer. Why? I mean, if you want to sell beer, why would you piss off the customer and lock the thing? So you then have to go all the way to the counter, ask an assistant who might come once they are available to unlock the fridge and stand with you while you make your decision. I mean, if you want something from one fridge but not another, or from another, I should say, you then have to say, yes, can you open this one for me? And then they'll go, okay. And then you say, oh, but I also need something from another fridge. And all the time, the assistant is looking at the counter in case there's a sale. Why can't they just open all the bloody fridges? I don't know. What is the logic of Oxxo? I don't think it's every Oxxo, because the Oxxo that I go to up there never locks its fridges. I know which one I'll patronise more than this one, really. There you go. Such is life.